Discover the perfect retreat with this 0.17-acre lot in Lake Crest Subdivision, Wagoner County, Oklahoma. Surrounded by nature and just minutes from great fishing spots, it's an ideal getaway for outdoor lovers. This property welcomes mobile homes, stick builds, and manufactured homes, giving you the freedom to create your dream space. Electricity is nearby and ready for installation. Water is available through the Rural Water District, or you can opt for a private well, while a septic system is required. Whether you're looking for a weekend escape or a permanent residence, this spot lets you experience the best of Oklahoma's natural beauty. Don't miss out on this opportunity. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Wagoner County, Oklahoma. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.